Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am explaining another question of codeZinger. Question is, we have to display the product of array elements. Basically, we have two inputs in this question. First, 6. 6 is the array length of the array and these are the elements of the array. For finding the product of these elements, we have to check the input. Then if first I read the inputs by using readLine function, which is already declared here. I declare a variable app in which I read all the elements of the array. ReadLine function, I am calling readLine function here. And if I give add as a parameter of a function, and the question, first I check whether the value is in the form of a string or a number. Then I console these values a and arr. Okay. Then I call this function, this solution function here in res variable. Then I print this variable here. If I run this code, okay, I have a string, but I need array. For this, I am using split here, split method here. It will give me multiple string, or it will spread all the character as individual string here. If I run this, okay, but I don't need space. That's why I am giving a space here. Then I hit okay. I remove the spaces here, but I need numbers, not strings. That's why I am using map function here, in which I am passing a keyword number. It will change all the string into a number. If I run this program, yes, I got. Then the logic is here. I write the logic to find the product of elements. First, I need a variable in which let result is a variable. Let res is a variable in which I am assigning a 1. Because I am assigning res, I am assigning 1 in res, because if I multiply 1 to another number, I can get that number. That's why I am initializing this variable by 1. But I need every element in the form of multiplication. That's why I want to access every element of the array. For this, I am using loop. I am applying for loop here, in which I am initializing I variable with 0. First, I declare a variable I, in which I am assigning a 0. I want to apply this method till the end of the loop. That's why I run this loop at the end of the array. But I notice that 6, which is A, is the length of the array. That's why I am mentioning A. Then for initializing, for increment the ith value, I use increment operator here. Okay, but in initial phase, I have res operator which has 1 value, but I need another value after After multiplying all the element in rest, for this I am using multiply and increment operator, and I want to I want to assign all the values in rest after multiplication. That's why I am writing here I. At last, I return this, which has the product of all numbers. If I run this, okay, I got it. The required output. If I check all the test cases here, let me check. Okay, this question is correct because all the test cases are passed by this question. Thank you so much. This is the solution of another question. I will explain another questions or more question of codeZingers in this series.